Hello, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel, LaMeelTV. It has truly been a little bit of time. I had some things I had to take care of, family things, but I'm back. I have about 30 videos saved up for you guys, so stay tuned. Make sure that you have hit the bell notification if you guys are new here. This is the first video that you're watching of me. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. This is a welcome back video, and I want to give you guys some really great information before I start into some training that I have for you tonight, and we'll be releasing videos every day. So over the next 30 days, it is February 2022. Some really amazing things are going to be happening with my YouTube channel. So I am still covering the same topics, right? Manifesting money, spirituality, and sexuality or sensuality, magic, and high vibe natural living. I have videos for you guys in all of those categories that are going to be coming out daily for the rest of this month. But I wanted to explain to you how things are changing. And if you didn't see some of my late fall videos, but you have been on my channel for a while, yes, my front tooth is missing. We had a little football accident. My tooth got chipped and then it shattered. So that's being replaced. So everybody, when I was on Instagram, I was getting like all these messages about what happened to your tooth last year. And then unfortunately, I was having some iron issues. And so I did not, I missed the opportunity to get it replaced during that time when I wasn't feeling well. So now it is, it'll be coming up soon in this new year. So the way that LaMeelTV is going to start evolving and getting very juicy and delicious for you this year is the way that the content is going to be delivered. Why? Because I want to be able to give you guys more consistent content, right? In all of these 5 areas that I really live in, specialize in, and enjoy. So the way that I'm doing that is bringing the information instantly to you here on YouTube so that you can have daily content from me over the course of the week. You'll have information on all of these subjects throughout a 7-day period. However, the details and handouts and worksheets and recipes and all of those things are going to be reserved for membership. So I have 2 membership platforms right now, and one is Patreon, and you can actually access that from my website. The links to everything I'm talking about will be below this video. So when it comes to my moon circle, moon rituals, any moon magic, I have a moon goddess membership that I think is like $3.33 a month, right? And you can join that. You can also join the Moon Goddess Facebook group, where I'm going to put information, additional information into that group. It's only about manifesting, working with the moon, your moon cycle, like all of those type of things. If you want to be a part of the actual moon goddess rituals, which happen on the new moon and the full moon, and receive discounts on candle service, you have to be a member of the Moon Goddess Circle, which is $3.33 a month, right? That link will be below. If you are watching these videos, and I have a couple of videos up here where I'm a series that I've actually started completing that started with magical ingredients, right? And giving you the foundation of and the properties of different magical ingredients. So videos like that, where I'm talking to you and I'm telling you a lot of different things and it's hard to take notes, you can completely take notes, of course. But if you become a member of the Mystical Goddess, all of my notes, all of my rituals, spells, simmer pot recipes, all of those things will be part of that membership, right? So for $8.99, you get all the downloads for everything that I do. If I create a sigil with you, if I'm explaining things, you get all of that information and it's downloaded for you. You don't have to take your own notes. You don't have to look your own stuff up. It's all going to be in there for $8.88 a month. Now, a lot of you found me originally, have looked at some of my older videos where I was really the credit woman, right? And I was at a time in my life where I needed good credit. I didn't have credit. I created a CPN and I changed my life. And I kind of grew from there in terms of finances. So that company, Wealth Empowerment, that I developed was sold. So I no longer own that or am affiliated with it. But I still have a lot of information as my life has evolved. So is my knowledge. And so I will be coming to you with money videos, right? And I'm going to be covering things like credit, the CPN, gold. Those are all the standards that I've done before. NFTs, which is new, crypto, real estate investing, some stock investing, things like that. Those videos will be shorter. That information will be available, but if you want the details, if you want to ask specific questions, if you want to access old courses, because they are available, in order to do that, you have to be a member of Financial Femme. Now, you do not have to be a woman to join any of these programs, but I am the Financial Femme, right? So I am offering this information, and a lot of people have specific questions to their scenarios before wanting to get into a course or things like that. And in order to get those questions answered, most of the time they'll be answered via video. Within the membership, you have to join Financial Femme, and it's $3.99 a month, right? So it's very minimal, but you get the details, right? I share, and I will continue to share, and I tend to overshare information that you guys need to grow, to expand, to be better, to evolve, to transform. But the details and the specifics of things I am going to offer within the membership so that I can give more one-on-one and answer more specific questions and create content that is very specific to the needs of the members. So the last membership that is now available is for my High Vibe Living tribe of people. You will probably notice that, like I said, I had some iron issues, and I'm going to be doing have a lot more content for you guys on natural living, on juicing, on smoothies, on creating a living house, on creating a high vibrational living space, right? Improving your quality of life. These things are very important when you're into manifesting, when you're trying to attract money, and when you're spiritual, right? Into magic and spirituality and manifesting and all of those things. But for all of those recipes, for discounts on those items within the Luxe and Light Apothecary, and to get your specific questions answered, whether it's about raw food or to get the recipes, like I said, you need to join the Juicy Goddess. And the Juicy Goddess, I have my notes on here, $4.99. It's $4.99 a month. Now, because the Juicy Goddess and the Financial Femme are hosted here on YouTube, you also have the option of joining these programs under the Duality membership, which gives you both memberships for $8 or $7.99 a month. So that way you don't miss out on either one, and you're not joining two separate memberships. Everything will be in there for you. So that's really how things are going to be separated. If you are not following me on TikTok, you should do so. I do my daily readings there on TikTok now, and we'll be doing here just pick a card readings that are more in depth. On Instagram, I'll do once a week a pick a card reading to kind of let you know what your week is going to be like, right? And then here on YouTube, you'll see the monthly pick a card readings only. So if you have any questions, put them down below. Thank you so much for being here, but I did want to explain to you my the new membership and the details. So if you're kind of watching videos in succession, you'll understand as things evolve, and I will have all the links down below. If you're new here and this sounds intriguing and you're excited as I am, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you get the notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.